So, step number 1, go to GitHub and download the Marshmallow Soundboard at the address above here. And then go to the releases section here. Click on the latest release. I'm using Windows, so I go and click on the Windows zip file. I download the zip. You go and extract all. And at this point, I can actually run the soundboard. And the way I do that is I go to soundboardlistener.exe. So I go ahead and double click that. And we're going to get this Windows Smart Screen. This is just because it's not a signed package. It's an open source project, so it isn't something that's been downloaded from the Microsoft Store. The way to get around this is you just go to More Info, and it just says the file that you want to run, and you click Run Anyway. And you're going to get another thing as well, where it's going to open the command prompt window, and Microsoft Defender is just going to say, can I run a Node.js program on my local private network? And for this soundboard to work, you do have to do that. So you say allow access. And now you have the ability to run the soundboard. Right now, the soundboard listener is running, so the server for the soundboard is running. So what you can do now is you can either via URL click on this link or copy and paste the address into the address bar of your browser, or you can use a QR code with any mobile device that lets you scan your QR code to get to a web page. On an Apple device, you can just use the camera app. And in most modern Android devices, you can also just use the camera app. You point the tablet or phone at the QR code on the screen of the computer that you're running this on, and then usually you can just tap and it will take you to that web page, which in this case is a web page which is being hosted on your local network. So I've opened the soundboard. As you can see, it's ready to go. There are no sounds on it. Let's put some sounds on it. So I've opened a folder that's full of sounds. I should say as well that this soundboard does not come with any sounds preloaded for obvious copyright reasons. So you have to cut and select your own clips. You can use tools like Audacity to record or sample and sort of trim down your sounds. Once you have them in a format that the soundboard supports, that being either MP3, a WAV file, FLAC, or OGG or OGG sound format, so quite a wide array of supported sound formats. Once you have those, then you just take them from your folder here. This is my audio folder, and in your directory where you've extracted your soundboard, there's a media folder. So you just go to the media folder and you just start dragging and dropping those sounds on. So let's take That's a Peddlin', put it in there, and as you can see, in a second or two, the sound appears. I go and click that.
That's a peddlin'.
You can hear it. And you can do this en masse as well. You don't have to do this one at a time, but you can take all these sounds and you can just drag them into that directory. And now they're all
peddlin'.
That's a peddlin'. Now they're all available, and
Le Grill? What the hell is that?
they all work. It's great. Isn't that amazing? If you think so, please download the soundboard, and I hope you have a good time using this. Give me feedback. I want to know if people are using this. Happy soundboarding.